Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so you can learn more about Igbo language and learn the words to use while speaking Igbo language. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the simple words to use while speaking Igbo language. Let's go.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for
Mother. Mother. What is mother called in Igbo language? Nne. Mother is called Nne. Mother is called Nne. Mother is called Nne. Father is called Nna. Father is called Nna. Father is called Nna. What is baby called in Igbo? Baby is called Nwa. Baby is called Nwa. Nwa, that is baby. Nwa. Dog is called Nkita. That is dog. Nkita. Cat. What is cat called in Igbo language? Cat is called Nwamba. Cat is called Nwamba. Cat is called Wamba. Cat is called Wamba. Wamba. Say it with me. Wamba. That is cat. Wamba. Ball is called Okpole. Ball is called Okpole. Ball is called Okpole. Okpole, that is ball. Okpole. Do you know what milk is called? Milk is called mmiri ara. Mmiri ara, that is milk. Mmiri ara. Milk is called mmiri ara. Orange juice. Orange juice. Mmiri oroma. Orange juice. Mmiri oroma. That is orange juice. Mmiri oroma. Orange juice is called mmiri oroma. Cake. Cake. Cake is achịcha ụtọ. Cake is called achịcha ụtọ. Achịcha ụtọ. That is cake. Achịcha ụtọ. Achịcha ụtọ. That is cake. Achịcha ụtọ. Car. Car. Car is called ụgbọala. Car. Car is called ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. That is car. Ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. That is car. Truck. Truck. Truck is called ụgbọ ibu. Ụgbọ ibu. That is truck. Ụgbọ ibu. Truck. Ụgbọ ibu. Ụgbọ ibu. That is truck. Ụgbọ ibu. Plane. Ụgbọ elu. Plane is called ụgbọ elu. That is plane. Plane is called ụgbọ elu. Ụgbọ elu. That is plane. Ụgbọ elu. Boat. Boat is ụgbọ mmiri. Boat is ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. That is boat. Ụgbọ mmiri. Train is ụgbọ oloko. Train is ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. That is train. Ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. That is train. Bike. Ịnyịnya igwe. Bike is called ịnyịnya igwe. Bike is called ịnyịnya igwe. Ịnyịnya igwe, that is bike. Bed. Bed is called aqua. Bed is called aqua. That is bed, aqua. Chair. Chair is called oche. Chair is called oche. Chair is called oche. Table. Table. Table is called ndokwasi. Table is called ndokwasi. Ndokwasi. That is table. Ndokwasi. Apple. Apple. Apple is called apple. Apple. That is apple. Apple is called apple. Apple with different spellings. It's almost the same thing, but it's different spelling. Apple is called apple. Apple instead of apple. Apple is English. Apple, Igbo. So is apple. Am I teaching you well? Banana. Banana. Banana is called unere. Banana is called unere. That is banana is called unere. Biscuit. Biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. You get? Wait. Cookies biscuit. Cookies biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. You get? Okay, wait. Cookies biscuit is called achịcha ọkpọọ. Achịcha ọkpọọ. That is cookies biscuit. The same thing with biscuit. Okay, biscuit is biscuit. Like cookies biscuit is all is biscuit. It's called achịcha ọkpọọ. Achịcha ọkpọọ. That is biscuit, cookies, biscuits. Achịcha ọkpọọ. Balloon. Balloon is called bolombolo. Balloon is called bolombolo. Okay. It's called bolombolo. You see the spelling right there. Bolombolo. That is balloon. Bolombolo. That's balloon. Alright guys, we're gonna end this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you will always be the first to see it. To share with your family, share with your friends. See you guys in my next video.